everybody, and welcome to this new Chilango's cooking channel. And what are we gonna do in here? We're gonna learn how to make Mexican food easily, step by step at home. Who am I? I'm Eduardo. I had a couple of different restaurants in Oulu, Finland, up north. Look, here is my cat, and then behind you can see we're all covered in snow. December 2022. So, after the years, I've decided to leave it behind, the restaurant owning, and then I realized that my love for Mexican food anyway, it is staying with me in my heart and with all my former customers, and because of that, it inspired me to start this YouTube channel. And this YouTube channel is going to be about how to make easily and simple, just a second, say hello, easy and simple Mexican food at home. I'll try to use also the ingredients that we can easily find, especially here in Europe. Probably here in Finland it's a little bit more difficult. If you're living in Central Europe, I'm pretty sure it's gonna be easier. And I'm really gonna try to, as I develop in this, to figure out and to find you the best options and the best ingredients. Some things I'll do, for example, we have here some tortillas from a brand called Don Tortilla, our first sponsor. These are freshly made tortillas from corn flour Naturello. And so some of those brands maybe will be finished located at the beginning, but hey guys, let me know, please tell me where are the different markets, where are the different local producers around Europe. I'll be most happy to know about them and to share about them, because I think that as Mexicans living abroad, it's very important to reach other people, like the local people, and for us it's important to support our local and support our paisanos. Anyhow, focusing on what is important here, we're gonna cook Mexican food, but easy and simple for anybody to understand. I'll try not to do anything too complicated. However, I cannot say everything is totally easy, because obviously if you want things to go that little bit extra good, I'm gonna show you the little tricks I've learned in my years as cook in kitchens, in professional business, and I'm gonna land them into the home cooking for you. One super important thing is everything I've done in my restaurant was for the regular like meat eaters, but also I've always paid a lot of attention for vegans and vegetarians. As I have been starting to edit the videos, I've realized there were some things I needed to explain a bit more clearly. So, well, the background looks a little bit different because this was a bit of an addition, it appears later on. I'm really trying to open up of everything that I've learned, that I developed in my years as a restaurant owner, working with Mexican cuisine. I really want you guys to be able to grab this knowledge, to play with it, to really try it at home. I'm not really making videos just for like the beauty of it, so you can scroll on different apps and then like see in 2-3 steps how like something delicious gets done. But then none of the process is shown that you can really have a grab of it. That's quite the opposite. I want you to really find solutions and find a way to make it easy. Another great idea is that something I used to do a lot, or I actually do it a lot, is that often when I invite friends, Finnish friends in this case, because we're in Finland, I make them part of the process. Like, I don't necessarily just say, hey, let's eat Mexican food, and then I prepare everything by myself. I think that's never like a plan, but I've realized that often what I do is people come here and we cook together. And actually having a weekend, an afternoon cooking with friends is great. And then when you check the content we're creating here, I hope you get inspired to do the same, to bring a group of friends and to easily grab the idea of how to get done pulled pork, Mexican pulled pork, pibil, or the beef tacos, or if we explore other things like barbacoa, or other more complicated stuff like chiles rellenos, and just do it and have fun cooking. But what we're gonna share here, I wanna make it fun, I wanna make it interesting. So, I'll repeat myself, please make sure, especially now when we're just shooting this into the sky, comment, let me know what would you like to hear from us, where would you like us to explore. Make sure that you're subscribed to this channel, that you share this video, and you tell them where you found about it. See you next time.